People would say I'm struggling in my marriage. I am learning through it. I'm trying to figure out myself. Like yesterday, I bought an audiobook on how to be a better man. Like I'm seeking solutions so that I can have a good marriage, because I've suddenly stressed my marriage because I came to Mexico. I took away my wife's safety. I took away her confidence. I took away her car. It's not fair. And I'm having trouble adapting to her adapting. And even though I'm struggling, it's not really struggling. We have a beautiful dynamic relationship, but technically we're struggling right now because we can't agree on some things. And I ask her to overlook, hey, if you want to come to Mexico and have the great weather, you don't want to have to wear a mask everywhere, you want our son to have all these play groups, you can't have the perfect kitchen today, you can't have your car today. And I'm struggling in learning how to express that in a way that is fair to her. I want her just to understand the sacrifices we're making are for the greater good. And it's not her fault that she's not doing that. And it's not my fault that I'm trying to work hard and keep us afloat and earn money. And I say like, hey, do you know how powerful it is to have remote income? And she forgot. She already forgot what that means to us. She takes it for granted that I can earn money in any single country, that I can earn money on my laptop, that I can earn money without having any clients. Like, she's taking it for granted. But that's because she's a mother, and that's her role to focus on, and I'm preventing her from being the best mother she can be. And I think it's important that people see me as someone who cares about this, but is not perfect. I'm struggling to solve this. Well, you asked me, oh, do you want to show people that you're struggling or something like that? And I say, I'm struggling in the micro, but actually I'm thriving. Because right now in my life, I go to sleep and many nights I will wake up and someone has sent me $500 because they want what I created. They want the knowledge that I compacted because they saw my YouTube video, they take my free classes, they say, I must have what he's created. That is thriving, because then I can bring my son here and I'm just sitting outside right now. I have nothing to do. I have no responsibilities right now. And somebody's giving me money right now. And it's not because I'm doing nothing. It's because I already did so much. I already invested hundreds of hours in myself and then in the products that I'm giving to them. And it's not just blank knowledge. It's precision knowledge that person, it's like the Matrix. You buy my course, you are installing me in your life. And you will have a great life if you do that. I've seen it over and over again. The people who don't have success with me is they want to install it in 1 second. It takes 20, 30, 40 hours for the full download. You have to sit presently in my program. You have to come ask me 3 questions to fill in the blanks. You have to be able to motivate yourself and spend some time on the download. So in the Matrix, it's instant. That's the beauty of it. There's a microchip in you. You get the knowledge, you can do kung fu, you can fly a helicopter. If you want to make money while you sleep, the download is 40 hours. Can you sit for 40 hours with me? Can you be patient and trustworthy in yourself? And can you fill in the gaps that you didn't tell me you had? I didn't know you know nothing about writing. I didn't know nothing. You don't know how to speak English. I didn't know you've never had a friend. I didn't know you don't know any entrepreneurs. I didn't know that. But if you tell me that, I will give you a bonus download direct from my experience. And that will be helpful for people. What really is the problem is this background noise, first of all. But secondly, it's people don't believe in themselves, and they don't believe that I can give them the download. They don't believe it because no one ever gave that to them. No one ever said, hey, if you do this, you can go to sleep and make some money while you sleep. If you do this, you can get an income stream where you can live in Bali, Thailand, Mexico. If you do this, people be attracted to you and you will become magnetic, that will all happen. If you want to be me and you want to go to bed and wake up with some money, US dollars, and then you want to wake up and spend Mexican pesos, if you want that, that's not step one. That's like step 3. Step 1 is you get the skills, which is how do you get people's attention? How do you keep people's attention? How do you take their attention from A and then put it on B? How do you make A and B fun? How do you make people believe that if they're A, they can one day become Z? That is the skill of marketing. That is the skill of selling things online. That is the skill of persuasion. That's the skill of entertainment, edutainment. That's skill number 1. If you can learn to do that, there's so many new things that open up. And here's what opens up. People want to hire you to do that for them. They are not going to learn that. They're a doctor, they're a lawyer, they're a plumber, they're a coach. They already learned their skill. They already learned their training. They want to do that. But they still need their customers' attention. They still need their clients' attention. They need to take their clients from A to Z. And that's what a marketer does, is they take on that role for someone or a business. That's stage 1. And so what that gives you is, I can do that job from any city in the world if I have an internet connection. That's great. Now you want to do what Rich+UX does is, instead of having a client and they're telling you what to do and they're saying, hey, can you sell this for me? Can you sell that for me? Why don't you sell something of your own essence? Why don't you sell something of your own experience? And if you did that job for clients for 2 to 3 years, you can just package that as what I'm doing. You can tell other people how to become a marketer. That's just the facts. Like, that's not made up. Like, people are like, oh, well, you just sell a course about marketing. It's like, well, that's what I've been doing. I had dozens and dozens of clients paying me to do this for them. How about I just teach other people how to do that, and then they can become free as well? Or the client can buy that and they can do it on their own. That's good too. So now you have this mix. Anytime I want, I can go get a client. There are so many people that will be happy to pay me. If I want, I can lower my price, but ideally I raise my price. But how about you want to make some money when you're sleeping? You have to make something valuable for a specific group of people. And there is such a huge wave of people saying, I don't want to be a lawyer, I don't want to be a doctor, because I have to go to the office for those things. I don't want to be a teacher because then I have to get paid low. I don't want to be a plumber. I don't want to pick up garbage. I want to use my brain. I want to have a laptop. I want to execute my mind. And I want to do it from anywhere in the world. And that is called being a digital marketer. That is called being an online salesperson. And what people forget is selling online is not cold calling. It's attraction marketing. It's inbound marketing. I make this video clip, you come to me. I make this ad on Facebook, you come to me. I write a blog post, you come to me. And so I have never sold at all. I just attract. And that is the final skill, is attracting people to whatever you want. Why wouldn't you want that? Do you want that? You want to sell some yoga classes? You want to sell your spirituality? Don't you want to attract people? Keep having clients until you realize, I know the formula. Do you have a follow-up question?